Hi everyone, welcome to Phoenix Park in Dublin. Today I am excited to share with you this incredible urban oasis. It is located just west of the city centre. Phoenix Park is a must visit for everyone exploring Dublin. Did you know Phoenix Park is one of Europe's largest urban parks? Covering over 707 hectares, it is even bigger than London's Hyde Park. Established in 1662 as a royal deer park, it has been a Dublin staple for centuries. Phoenix Park is home to an amazing array of wildlife, including fallow deer, birds, rabbits, and even foxes. Take a stroll through the woods, visit the Phoenix Park's Deer Park, or explore the beautiful garden. Unfortunately, we couldn't see any deer when we went. It was originally formed as a royal hunting park. This Phoenix Park is also home to the visitor center, zoological gardens, Victorian flower gardens, a biodiversity information center, and Phoenix Park cafe and tea rooms. Phoenix Park is passive and active recreational pursuit may be pursued such as walking, running, polo, cricket, and many more. Phoenix Park is open 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, all year round. The main gates of the park at Parkgate Street and Castle Knock Gate are open 24 hours. Phoenix Park has been the location for a number of major events. This Papal Cross is one of the historic places in Phoenix Park. Even when we went there, India Day 2024 event was there. Even I got an opportunity to dance in that event. I feel so proud of.
Can I please invite
That is incredible happy moments for me. I hope you enjoyed exploring this incredible park with me. From its rich history to its stunning natural beauty, Phoenix Park has something for everyone. It's time to say goodbye to this city. After spending 3 unforgettable months in Dublin, I am wrapping up my adventure here. Thank you, Dublin, for an incredible 3 months. I will carry your memories with me until we meet again. Your support means the world to me, and I can't wait to share more exciting destinations with you. Thank you and love you all for your great support. Thank you.